Welcome to my store. Was it a wise decision, son? Well, no permanent damage.
Oh, it's gotta hurt.
Yeah, I got more scars than you. I think for the years you've been doing it, you're ahead of me on numbers. Because I don't think I had as many as you by the time I was your age.
Mine are purple.
Yeah, mine fade. I had some truly beauteous scars at one point in time. Raked through the foot, pitchforks, glass, window, burns. Used to be a chef. And I was careless then too. But my food is really good. So if you got two small plants, you just put them together and you make one big enough.
What's this thing for?
Which thing?
Clear.
The loop?
Yeah.
Feeding ring. Put floating food in there and it doesn't go away until they grab it from below. So in about 5 more minutes we'll be turning this thing on and it will be a wondrous sight to behold. You know the other thing that we could do?
What?
Put a stepping stone in the middle of that. You okay, Yosei? I worry about you, don't. You're my boy. Okay, so it'll go in like this. That way the hose is out of the way. Where'd they put the clamp? You see what they do with the clamp?
Nope.
There it is. It rolled on me.
Underground things do that.
Flat on one side though. What only has one side?
Hole?
No? You got the top and the bottom. A rainbow! You can't go around to the other side of a rainbow and look at it.
Can?
No, because rainbow is light reflected back at you. Isn't that so pretty?
What?
It went in there, tickety-boo, plug her in, turn her on, and fire it up.
Well, I just turned it off so I could plug it
You didn't have to.
in. That fucking bothers them?
Well, the extension cord, what's the point? It's not plugged into anything. Okay, hurry up. We're on low battery.
Water gonna come out the other side too?
Yeah, water's going to come out everywhere. The bog's going to be a lot slower than the other. So basically, as you can see, it's a green algae-filled pool. I'm actually going to take some of this algae back to the store to start the brine shrimp hatchery process going. Because, you know, you got nice green water, green algae. Let's use it. And there she's starting up. Coming over that ledge. Is there water coming out of the...
Nope.
None whatsoever.
Nope.
Put your hand inside the filter and block the flow to get the airlock out.
What filter?
In the top filter box.
Here?
Yeah, where the water's going into it, kind of block it with your hand. Because that'll get the airlock out of the other. Because, like, the water has to go through there where... You find the hole?
No.
It's down on the side. You know where the hose goes in?
Where's the hose go in?
Right down there, the bottom at that end. You saw me put the hose in. Water coming out of the other one now?
No. Maybe. No.
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 How much of that water do you got blocked off?
As much as my hand can, my hand's faster.
So we're gonna have to put a valve in line then.
Here, I'll go to the other side.
Or take the top off of it and put it. Water's coming?
A little bit.
Don't need much. Put a rock in the filter in front of the outlet. Like take the rock off the top and put a big rock in front of the water. Aaron.
Hold on, because if the hose isn't flat, nothing comes out.
Yeah, but if you put a rock in front of it, it will.
Hold on.
You're gonna have to put a rock in front of it anyhow.
Hold on a second.
I'm impatient. I don't want the battery to die and lose this whole video.
Then turn it off, go get your more batteries. Or turn it off now and start it again when I'm ready.
Just take the top off. Put a rock in there.
Where?
Against the opening. A big rock. A big rock.
There is no more big rock.
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
And the rock's not going to do anything because they're slots and they're holding things from keeping in.
Yeah, I know. But you're going to fill those slots. Use a big rock. Are we getting water?
A little bit. My arm's getting tired.
Why so little? Okay, you come and run the camera and I'll fix that. Come on, come on. Just throw the thing up on top and come around the camera. We got to do this fast before the battery dies. Okay, got it?
Now water's starting to go over and into the pond. Still no water.
Why not?
Maybe there's too many rocks on the hose and it's pinched it.
No. I made sure it's not finished. Okay, water start. I saw some water.
Yeah, not much though.
Yeah, this hose isn't finished here.
I think you put too much Teflon.
Teflon is on the outside of the truck.
You said I'm going to restrict the flow by using the Teflon.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Since when did I say restrict the flow using Teflon? You can't restrict the flow using Teflon.
That's what I was trying to figure out.
Well, you were figuring wrong.
Oh, there is a fish.
Yeah.
Somewhere over there. Oh, there's more here.
Are we getting any water?
Nope.
Okay, there's some
A
water.
little bit.
What's wrong with this pump?